Hello guys, a great day to everyone, especially to our teacher out there na magte-take po ng kanilang licensure board examination this coming September 29. I'm here for you guys to share with you if what are you going to bring on the day of your licensure board examination. Here are the things that you need to bring on your licensure board examination. Okay, so number one is your NOAA or Notice of Admission. Number two, vaccination card. Number three, Annex A and B. Kasi kailangan niyo po magbasa niyan on the day of your examination day. Okay? A and B. Some of our proctor will gonna ask you kung meron po kayong Annex A and B. Pero kung wala naman po, is okay naman po if hindi po yun kukunin ni proctor sa inyo. But better to bring it for any purposes and to make it sure, okay guys? Sa akin before, I bring but hindi ko po yun napasa kasi I forgot dahil nga I was very, yung tayo kinakabahan pa on the day of your examination day. So, advice ko po sa inyo, wag po kayong kabahan. Be confident sa pagsagot po. And trust on yourself as well as in God na makakapasa po kayo ng inyong licensure board examination. Next is one valid government ID in case po kung hanapan po kayo ng ating mga security personnel to enter the premises. The next is one brown envelope. Okay, doon po natin doon po natin sa brown envelope, ilalagay yung ating Annex A and B. Okay, and then talking about our Annex C, after 15 days pa po natin yan i-send through email kung if you receive an email that you're going to give or send your Annex C, then you must, okay? Next is about, brown envelope must be long kasi long po yung ating Annex A and B. Yeah, it's a long and brown long envelope. And then number 6 is black pen. So, black pen po yung required. Okay? And then we have also sharpener, okay? Yung sharpener, pero I advise you na dapat nakatasana po yung inyong mga lapis. Okay? Mongol 2 rather. Mongol 2 po yung required na gagamitin on the day of your examination. And maybe you can use also Faber-Castell pencil. And talking about my ball pen that I use, I use Faber-Castell 5.0, I think, because it's a nice. And then next is eraser. Okay, saan ko ba ginamit yung eraser? Of course, hindi ko po yung ginamit para mag-erase po. Ginamit ko po yung eraser nung natapos ko na po yung aking examination. Ito po yun sa erase to erase the back of my Scantron kasi nga marami pong mga bulbul doon para sabi kasi based on my this is one of the techniques that I use from Sir Melvin. Hi Sir Melvin, thank you so much for knowing and learning your techniques na nakatulong po sa aming lahat na makapasa in just one take. Kahit self-review lang po. And the next is water. Okay, talking about eraser pala, yung pag-erase po natin, kailangan po kung ganito yung pag-erase nyo, dapat ganito lang po lahat. Okay, plain po siya. One stroke only. Kung patas naman po, ganyan lang din. Okay, guys? And the next is transparent envelope. Kasi doon po natin ilalagay yung ating mga lapis, ball pen, yung ating requirements na kailangan po natin ibigay or i-present at gamitin on the day of our examination day. And be sure also to bring your bag, a transparent bag. Kung hindi naman po transparent, it's just okay kasi ilalagay naman po natin yan dyan sa ibaba ng ating whiteboard. Okay? Ang nasa ilalim lang po ng ating upuan ay ang ating pencils. Yeah, pencils. I bring a lot of pencils. That time, I bring 6 pencils. And yeah, I bring 6 pencils. Tsaka yung ballpen ko is 4 yata yan, 4. At tsaka, nagbigay ako, I bring at home as a souvenir, 3 lapis or pencil, and then 1 ball pen as my souvenir. Actually, I gave it to my best friend. And salamat sa Diyos na nakapasan po siya. Next is alcohol. Okay, you need also to bring alcohol. Okay, and then mask. Don't forget to bring rice and snacks as well as water. Okay, guys? Pero bago po kayo pumunta sa sa inyong room of assignment kung saan po kayo mag-exam, kailangan po busog na busog po kayo. At huwag kalimutan magdala ng inyong snacks and of course water. Para natilihin po nating uminom ng tubig po, lalo-lalo na po ngayon sa ating klima na pabago-bago. Okay guys? And then, madali po tayong makapag-isip pag nakainom po tayo ng sapat na tubig. And then, if you have energy drinks, then you can drink it as well. But, about water po, dapat nasa transparent water bottle po yan. Okay? Kasi pag nagdala po kayo ng water na nakalagay po sa mineral, hindi po yon accepted. Kukunin po yun at iiwan po sa doon sa gate. Okay? Kasi tinicheck po yan ng ating mga guard personnel. So, yan lang po. At kung may mga katanungan pa po kayo, you can comment down below para sagutin ko po yun based on my knowledge, research, and experience. Thank you so much for watching guys and good luck. I hope and pray na sana po makapasa po kayo in just one take kahit sa preview ka lang. Goodbye! See you on my next video.